It's Matt from the Random Maker with another tool tip, well, more safety advisory. If at any point you are using a cutting disc on a grinder for metal, what you want to make sure is A, all your skin should be covered up, but the bigger point for me is using 2 layers of protection on your face, for lack of better wording. Your first layer is always going to be your glasses, and you should have hearing protection as well. But here's the part where a lot of people, and I've seen miss it, is you should also have a full face shield. This full face shield will take a lot of the bad out of it. And please, anytime you are using a grinder with a cutting disc, always make sure you have your face covered. Well, this is Matt from the Random Maker with another tool tip. Until next time, let's get making.